sun is setting, girl, this time I'm betting you come alive and whisper in my ear. It's getting colder and I'm getting bolder. You be the heat.
Welcome back, my space cadets. What's up, humans? It's Cosmo, the Teenage Witch. So basically, in this video, I'll be discussing what it's like to be a raver of color. So I'm pretty sure a lot of raver of colors can feel me. You know, you've heard from friends, sometimes even family, or people that you don't care about, that, oh, raving is for white kids. That is very incorrect. That is very incorrect. Though the climate may be primarily white, sometimes you gotta look past, like, hey, I'm surrounded by a bunch of white kids who would probably mug me outside of my rave clothes, but, you know, just know that you paid your money and you're gonna have your own fun, and half the time they'll idolize you even for just standing out and being so different, or sometimes fetishize you, which is a whole nother issue. But basically, this is a video just boosting confidence for all those ravers of color, letting y'all know that we exist. You know, we're here, we're queer. I'm queer, at least. But yeah, we're here, and we're here to fuck it up like everybody else, and you have every right to be there. Of course, you're gonna have, you know, anxiety and, you know, feelings of doubt being around people that don't look like you. But, you know, at the end of the night, they could be some of your closest friends, or one of those people that got you completely fucked up. You'll figure it out once you get there. But either way, I encourage all my ravers of color. You know, I know there's a lot of stress going on. You know, when you go to these raves, try to just let it go. Have your own fun. Be in your own bubble. I mean, I'm going to EDC by myself, so I'm probably going to be surrounded by a lot of white kids that'll be like, ooh, the hair, the skin. Yeah. But, you know, best way to deal with it is just keep raging on and stay positive, stay black, stay awesome, stay groovy, and be yourself. Yep, and that's a message from a hippie to all the humans watching. Got lots of love for y'all, people of color, and really just all humans. Yeah, that's pretty much my video. Remember to love yourself, care for yourself, and know that you matter. Know that black ravers exist and black power is a thing. And that's about it. Peace until I make another video on this potato.